Hello everyone, this is Adam with Kanen Coffee. Here we have Lelit Bianca. It came into the shop because it was having issues with pressure both on the steam side and on the coffee side. Um, what we ended up doing is, after inspecting it, we found that there was significant coffee buildup in the group head, and there was evidence of scale. And back flushing wasn't enough to, clear up issues with like sealing in the group head, because when the group head isn't sealed shut from the exhaust during a shot, water can actually come straight through and reduce the pressure, and also restricted pipes due to scale and coffee buildup. Restricted pathways can also cause issues with pressure on the coffee side. So we ended up just doing a group head overhaul. It's a rebuild, back flushing, new new shower screen, new gasket. You can see here this is a little bit worse for wear. You can see what sort of coffee buildup you saw in the shower screen. There's some more of the debris here. Yeah, and then you could also see here the state of the gaskets inside of the group head. This one's covered in scale. This one, both these have pretty degraded gaskets on them. It's a group head overall. And then we also, because it's a dual boiler machine, we also descaled the steam boiler. Yeah, so now we have good steam. Additionally, on the steam boiler side, on its own, it was having difficulties with building and maintaining pressure. And after some testing, we found that the heating element was bad. You could see all the scale buildup here. We measured some current leakage, meaning that there's a crack somewhere here, causing water to intrude in there, reducing the efficiency. So we also replaced the heating element for the steam boiler. So, as I demonstrated before, we have good steam. It's maintaining steam pressure. Then also, with the flow control wide open, I'm just going to do a shot here. It's not going to be the best shot because it has this flow control thing, but it's just demonstrating that we are able to get pressure, and it should read out right here. So we have this pre-infusion that's been programmed here. And you can see it's going to be about 8 bars of pressure. It's probably a puck prep issue. Stop it right here because that came out really quickly. But yeah, that's about it. We got a fully functioning machine here. So that's about it. Thank you for watching.